Hello WordPress bloggers, welcome to another Cyber Monday deal. This is for the WordPress automatic plugin, currently on sale, 50% off. I am a customer of this plugin and have made review and tutorial videos on WordPress automatic plugin. Check below. This plugin has a fantastic rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's got a lot of features to make your WordPress content generation automatic. You can check out the demo right here. I'll leave the links down below. And essentially this plugin can post unlimited content from unlimited sources, including RSS feeds, post from any web page with a built-in scraper, auto post Amazon products, eBay, Walmart, ClickBank, even from the Envato marketplace like CodeCanyon, ThemeForest, Facebook, Craigslist, Pinterest, Reddit, one of my favorite sources, YouTube videos from other sources as well, SoundCloud, articles, even TikTok. This is new right here, and it can even spin your content. Let's check out the demo. You will need to input a email to access their demo online. They will create a new account for you to demo. Here's what it looks like. To create a new campaign, just click on New Campaign. Give it a title. I'm going to run a Reddit campaign, and the frequency you can make it post every 60 minutes, 60 hours, or 1 day, every 2 days, whatever. It's up to you. And the campaign type. Here are the sources. And again, here are the features for single page and multi-page scraper. So you can essentially grab content from any web page online. But for this example, I'm going to do just Reddit. Here is the maximum number of posts for this campaign. And then basically, let's copy from this Reddit subreddit category, the popular category. You can choose whatever you want and then select some of these options. Most of these are default, which you can leave alone. And let's just do a publish just to show you guys how it works. There it is. And now all you have to do is either run the campaign now or wait every 60 hours or 60 minutes and run the campaign. So it's running the campaign now, and here is an example post, and this will work with any theme that you have, premium or free theme, it doesn't matter. And that's how easy it is to create and automate your content posting. It's a very powerful plugin. It is currently on sale right now, 50% off. Highly recommend it. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more upcoming internet marketing deals. Thanks again, and happy blogging.